What's up everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Do you want to fix your Epson 3720 printer not printing problem, but don't know what to do? Well, seeing the printer issue is common and can happen due to many reasons like a paper jam or a network issue or a clogged nozzle. So you need to check that there is no paper jam and the printer is connected properly. I will also explain the step-by-step process for cleaning the printer nozzle. Or you can get a quick expert help by calling the following numbers to get your printer fixed. Alright then, let's get started and get your printer working again. First, on your printer control panel, scroll to the right and select the maintenance option. After that, tap on the print head nozzle check option. Once you see the screen to add some paper, then go ahead and do that. Next, simply tap on Print option to move forward. After that, check the printed page for broken lines to identify which ink nozzle is clogged. Once you have confirmed which nozzle you should clean, let's move on to the next step of cleaning. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. On your printer's LCD panel, give a little tap on the ink icon. Next, tap on the Replace Ink Cartridge option. On the open screen, tap on Next. When it asks you to remove the ink cartridges, then tap to start. Now, when the print cartridges move right in the middle of the cut section, then remove the printer's power cable. Then, slide the paper towel below the print head. After that, remove the cartridges from the print head. Now, take the syringe and fill it with the cleaning solution. Next, attach the tube to the print head knob for the ink color that needs cleaning. Then, slowly press the cleaning solution all the way down. You can repeat the cleaning process for all colors if you prefer. Once that's done, remove the paper towel from under the print head. After that, you should put the ink cartridge back into the print head. If you think any cartridges is running out, then replace it with a new one. Close the printer and see if your printing problem is gone.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.